Whenever you create a workbook, Excel files are called workbook, and you must be able to save your document in a place or in your computer where you can easily locate it. So when you click save as allows you to change or to rename. Let's say you want to create a document and you want to access it the way it is. So to make a copy, so using save as to make a copy, you want a different version of this current document and you want to edit it without having tamper with the original. So the save as allows you to rename. Let's say I'll just press 2 because next time when I'm going to click on this 2, it's going to be different from 1, party planner 1. So save as allow you to make a copy. Excel automatically saves your workbook to a temporary folder while you are working on them. So if you forget to save your changes or if Excel crashes, you can restore the file using auto recover. Sometimes maybe working, maybe because of your operating system or the Windows or the way it's installed, or something happened, or maybe your laptop battery or computer battery is bad and it's just suddenly go off. So there is what we call auto recover. So to use auto recover, you have to click on File, because there are two ways to which you can locate auto recover. Peradventure, I'm working on this particular file and it crashes or the computer goes off suddenly. So by the time I'm opening it, there will be a dialog box here that will be showing document recovery. So it will tell you that Excel has recovered the following files, so save the ones you wish to keep. So but now there is no auto recovery, but in order to view this, automatic use of the auto recover, go to File at the backstage, then click on Info Information. So come here, you see Manage Workbook. At the drop down here, you see an option Recover Unsaved Workbook. So look at it, will just take you to the folder that's already created in the office. Installation file, unsaved files. So from there you can open it and you can save it properly. So how do you export workbooks? Excel workbooks are saved in an extension name called .xls. Go to File, Save As. This is the extension here, XLSX. That is the extension of the file type. So however, there may be times maybe when you need to use another file type such as PDF for Excel 97 to 2003 workbook. So it's easy to export your workbook from Excel in a variety of file types. So to export, come to export here to export your file. So you see a couple of options. You can create your file to be a PDF file here, and you can also change the file type. When you click on change file type, there are other options for which you can export it to be a template. You can change it to be a binary workbook. So you see a couple of options. So a quick way to save your projects or your file when you're working is to look at, there's a save icon here. You can save it by clicking. So when you work, you save it. So if you are clicking it for the first time on a new note, so it's going to bring up a dialog box and it's asking you to rename it. So when you want to export, come to export, create, create PDF. So it's going to bring out an option for you. This is a dialog box. So we are going to rename it here. Rename the file properly. Then this is the option that's available for you. PDF. Then when you are done renaming, then you go to click publish. So we'll wait for it to process. So by the time it's done processing, it's going to come up in the form of a PDF file. So your PDF file is ready. You can see the way it came out, party planner, application, and this and that. So that is how to export in Excel. Another part to this is sharing. You can share your file when you are done with your project. So click on File menu, then look for Share. When you share, you can see a couple of options here, just two. Sometimes you may have more than two options. You will be asked to create a link which you can post or send to people. Then this one, share with people. So you can invite people to see what you have done, and you can also control who have access to edit or not. You can also share to mail, send as attachment. You can send to attachment to get a copy of you to review. Send a link, send as PDF, send as XPS, send as internet fax. So when you click on share with people, you can save to cloud. Saving to cloud allow you to collaborate with others. You have to view or to edit or depending on your permission. So you don't have to duplicate the same file. So it will be the same existing file that you are also sharing with other people. So as we come to the end of this section, also in your own privacy, try to practice how to create new blank workbook. Save command. So you have to use the save command to save the workbook to your desktop, save the workbook to OneDrive, and invite someone else to view it. Also export the workbook as a PDF file. So but make sure that you have to create a Microsoft account for you to make use of OneDrive. So because while you are sending it, so other people can also be people who have the same account or who also have a Microsoft account as well as you, in order to view or to edit. So whatsoever level of permission you have granted the person. So see you in the next one. Have fun and take care.